Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using SimplySchedule appointments. SimplySchedule appointments, found at SimplyScheduleappointments.com, offers a streamlined approach to booking. This platform aims to simplify the scheduling process for both clients and businesses. It eliminates the back-and-forth emails and phone calls often associated with traditional appointment setting. With SimplySchedule appointments, clients can view available time slots and self-book at their convenience, 24/7. This accessibility significantly reduces administrative overhead and frees up valuable time for business owners. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface designed to be intuitive for both clients and administrators. Setting up appointment types, defining availability, and managing bookings is designed to be straightforward and efficient. Features like automated reminders and customizable booking forms help reduce no-shows and gather essential client information. SimplySchedule appointments integrates with popular calendar applications, further streamlining the scheduling workflow and preventing double bookings. Furthermore, SimplySchedule appointments offers various customization options to match your branding and specific business needs. You can tailor the booking page to reflect your company's aesthetics and incorporate custom fields to collect relevant client details. Different pricing plans cater to varying business sizes and requirements, providing flexibility and scalability. Whether you're a solopreneur or a larger organization, SimplySchedule appointments provides the tools necessary to manage appointments effectively. Exploring their website at SimplyScheduleappointments.com will give you a more comprehensive understanding of their features and benefits. Consider trying out SimplySchedule appointments to optimize your scheduling process and enhance your client experience. It could be the solution you've been searching for to simplify bookings and reclaim valuable time. Remember, all the links are in the description below.